Okay, guys, we are back with something completely different that you guys have not seen before, and we are going to be creek fishing in a part of the country that I've never creek fished or farm pond fished or anything before. We're in western Kentucky. You can see a little bit of a bridge over there. It's going to be a fun time. I hear that there's a big spot of bass in here, so let's get after it.
Got bit first cast, be absolutely insane. No followers, terrible, absolutely terrible. That's my thumbnail right there, 100%. We might have to walk till we find a deeper pool. I don't think they would spend a lot of time here just because it's so shallow. Oh, something just was over there. I don't know, it might have been a turtle, but I don't know.
Follow you up.
Up to you. I don't know where it'd get the deepest. That's the thing. I don't know where it'd get the deepest, but there's structure over here, so. I don't know.
Yeah, I'll look at Google Maps.
Oh, I got one following it. He's tiny. He's this big. Look at him. He's this big. Yeah, he's right there by my bait. Look at him. Yeah, he's right there. He's so small. He's like 8 inches, and he's just staring at it. Oh, oh, he hit yours. Yeah. He just barely touched it. Did he get it again? Yeah. I love how he just stood right by my bait. Oh! Yes. Yes, sir. I think it's a largie, yeah. I didn't bring pliers.
Good luck. Oh, that is a largemouth.
Yeah.
Shit.
Sure. Ah, that's a terrible spot to have a hook.
Up here, didn't
Yeah. Let him go. That's the first fish I've ever caught in a creek, actually. I've never caught a bass in a creek. Yeah. He was really advantageous too. Like, I can't believe a bass that small ate my bait. I know one thing for sure. We already had more action than we'd have at Kentucky Lake at this point. A 15-inch spotted bass, oh my gosh. This entire thing's like a channel. I like this a whole lot better than what was over there. I just got so lucky. I just bounced it off that log. I think a buzzbait would be money on this. Why? It'd be a whole lot worse when it goes up over my boot. Trying to be very careful to not let it get up over my boot, because then it's not going to be a fun rest of the day. Is it shallower out there? Ah!
I threw it through it once. I threw it through it. I threw it through it.
Got over my boots.
Did it?
Yep.
Well,
Frick me. My boots like want to float and stuff because there's air in them, so it's kind of weird. Weird feeling. Oh yeah, bud.
I mean, I would definitely. What is that? So you got a ditch right there.
Lovely.
Or walk on, well, I don't know.
I think I'm cooked either way, honestly. Yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Fully submerged now. Some waders would have been very much needed. Oh, I just saw a fish run past me.
Did it?
Yeah, tiny. But.
I can catch those.
to guide us. Okay, you want to start heading back that way?
Yep. I gotta go pick up Josh's gun also.
Fishing tributaries of it.
What?
We should be fishing like branches of it.
Branches of it?
Yeah.
What branches?
Like, I guess where it cuts off into other little creeks.
Huh.
We might be too far
I guess
downriver because it's deeper water up
Okay.
before it branches.